Next, we're going to learn how to get bonus money in Palmpay. Now, bonus money is almost like synonymous with saying how to make money on Palmpay. So, the same thing I said earlier, you can make money. You can choose the win big option over here. As you can see, win big option. Now, I have about 19 plus, so I just need 36 naira to complete it. How do I do that? I invite my friends to be able to get that. Now, I invite my friends to get my 20,000 using my referral code over here. So I share my code, invite, they complete the specific transaction, I get rewarded. So I can do it through that to get bonus cash, or I can use the cashbox method where you save and you earn interest daily. As you can see, you save and you earn interest daily. Now let's say you want to earn, and you can also turn auto save to your cash box. So you save, you earn interest daily. How much you save, you calculated it is 10%, 20% reward for you. So that's another way to make money. The third way is through trial cash. I selected trial cash, look at it. So you earn more. We have we have rules also for trial cash. So the rules are there. You earn trial cash by completing tasks from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. the following day. So you can earn up over 200,000 free trial cash by completing the daily basic tasks on Palmpay. Then you can, that's how to earn trial cash. You can also access advanced tasks. Simply click the button in the advanced tasks section on the trial cash page, complete advanced tasks to earn more free cash. But you must note that before you can claim this trial cash and if you enjoy the additional interest from it, you must have successfully completed your PVA or NIN registration. In this case, verification. You must have completed your PVA or NIN verification. So that is it. Then the rules for trial cash earning. You have your daily tax. So this is the advanced tax. This is advanced tax over here. Micro health insurance, terminal cash, auto save, upgrade to tier 3, first borrow, airtime, letter bundle. You're able to complete all this. Then you get your trial cash. So that's how to get bonus money in Palmpay.